We've come to Thornley Woodland Centre today.
It's been a while since I've been here, like, you know.
Aye.
Good few years.
Some canny drops over the side of this, like I bet. Yeah, the fence is canny strong. Wouldn't like to roll all the way down there.
Yeah,
It probably doesn't look as bad on camera now, but that's like looking straight ahead, and that's the drop.
right, it's not really a drop, it's more of a steep bank.
Aye, good steep bank side.
I never think when we come here as kids, none of these wooden
There was
footpaths,
no-
not just normal little
daft footpath things, they put these boardwalk things in, haven't they?
just paths, what became passed off use. Really.
Aye. These are for disabled and everything, aren't they? Like for kids' school trips and...
And it's got to be for that. Like.
Aye.
I still kind of like the natural woods and the natural little paths.
Aye. No, that's the Woodland Centre just straight across there. There's actually a cabin there that does cups of tea, and there's like a little cafe thing in it, isn't there?
It's not up, it's at the top of the trees.
Aye, it should.
It's only half 2 and stuff.
Aye. That's the Woodland Centre through there.
Kids,
No, shouldn't be filming kids. Didn't quite notice at first, but we're back onto the old original footpaths. Yeah, this is what we're on about earlier. This is what it used to be like. A bit of dolomite doing on the path instead, you know.
I've got to watch where you point that camera.
I know. It's all dodgy these days. Too many people have got cameras, that's all it is. I didn't realise it, but just down through there,
I thought we were a lot further back
aye,
from the river.
I did. That's actually the river. River Derwent. Might be a bit awkward to see in there.
Oh, we had a...
Aye, I was just trying to get a bit of a shot of the water in there. I did, like, just through the trees. Didn't know it was just there. Because when you're going further back, you've got a canny walk to get all the way down to the arches,
I thought
down to the viaduct.
a lot further back, like.
Aye, but it's a lot closer to the road than what I can ever remember. Since I never really came down here much. You can see it down through there now.
One thing is sitting.
Aye.
With that.
We'll cross the road from the other side, from Thornley Woodland Centre, but just up here.
Bird watching hut here.
Aye, this is a type of reserve, isn't it?
I think
I
it's
don't know.
locked. I think you've got to get a key at the
Woodland Centre.
Woodland Centre, but that shut, so.
Aye, we came down like an hour or two too late. But we'll just...
wasn't far off the road though.
Aye. That must be the pathways that lead into it. We probably weren't that far away from it, are we? We're more in the woods.
We're opposite each other road.
Aye. See, this is going to be locked, but there's a footpath on the side of it. You know, if we have to, I'll have a walk around.
Right, there's not really a footpath on the side, is there?
A bit of a one. Just to see what's actually behind you. It was about 20 years ago.
Right,
we had a look.
because we went in it once, but it was open, wasn't it?
Aye, we came in through the day and it was open. It just looked like...
It's a bit silly though, it's like, now it's tough on kids, you know.
Yeah, because they'd be camping in it and all kinds of... They would ruin it, like, wouldn't they?
But that centre's supposed to be up to 3 and it's like, shut.
Aye. Sure, like, for some reason. seen that, it's 10 to 4, you know.
Is it?
Aye, you set your watch and all this. It's 10 to 4, that's why.
Okay. There we go.
He's just getting the watch today and he's put the time round on it.
You did the time, didn't you?
I did. Aye. I don't know how I've done that. I think one of my clocks in the sitting room is a new late. I'd done one, but I didn't do the other. Now at the beginning of the year.
I've just bought the watch off and
Aye.
didn't like it.
Aye, I didn't like it.
Set it for us.
We're on the side of the hut here, just to have a look at this. Oh, there's a lot of feeders and everything. Yeah, there's nobody in the hut. Like, I've just looked through it. But they've got loads of feeders here. No one's been put. Like, they put something in that one there, but it doesn't look much of a like anything really.
Doesn't look like used, does it?
Yeah. They've got these windows that are open now, so when you're in the hut there. Morning. This area is now subject to regular police patrols and is also being monitored using covert CCTV. So there must be a hidden camera up here somewhere. But we're not doing any harm. Can I get in the hut, so we're just having a look. There's no birds on out around here, so there's actually a note here. That's like a feeding station for the woodpeckers, that. Put the wax food in. Ah, but there's not a spark of wildlife anywhere.
No, just a bit bleak.
Ah, you'd be sitting in that hut quite bored if you did. You've probably got to make a donation and all, you know, to get the key. And they're generally free, but you do make a donation. You feel obliged to make one. That's what they tell you anyways. It's actually canny crop. Do we not have their pheasant feathers?
How shall we walk back across?
Yeah, I will go back across because this place doesn't even look like it. It doesn't look managed. You think, nah, they should cut all that back, like in the winter, you know, like ready for the spring coming and the summer, to attract the wildlife, because it's just too overgrown for certain birds. Yeah, it's just not very good. It hasn't been managed properly.
Nice size hut, mate. I don't know if you can get a shot through there, but
Oh, there it is.
decent shot on the wall there when what birds you're supposed to see.
Yeah, aye, what you're supposed to see here, but cannot see it happen. Might be out in the winter. When all the grass is doing a bit and stuff like that, it's just... There's not much crop in the summer. Well, it's supposed to be summer. There wasn't even a bird around there. We crept around there nice and quiet now. Aye, so that's the end of that one.
On the back of the tree, it is a nuthatch. And that's a finch what's went on the table.
Is that enough? Let's just land it on.
Is that a chaffy or a greenfinch? I can't. My eyes kind of made it
That's the same with me.
It's definitely a finch.
Aye.
I can't remember what sort from you.
Oh, it is a chaffinch, aye. It looks like a hen chaffinch. I'm looking at the viewfinder and it looks like a little bit small, but when I look with my eyes, I can see it there, the hen. When we first came, there was a spot of woodpecker on the back of that oak tree, and all. There's a few little coal tits diving up and down there. They're kind of quick then.
No,
They're just straight in, getting the food and straight back out and fighting.
There's a couple of them. And there's that nuthatch again right at the back.
Oh, right, aye. It's actually inside the field there. Aye. They just seem to be like diving straight on, getting the food and straight back into the trees. As if they didn't trust it.
I'm still at the woodland centre, but they've got just like a little bit of a bird feeder just outside.
Ah, just outside the place.
So
It's I'll zoom out and That's the centre there, it's shut. We've said it a few times, like it is shut. We're sitting in the car. It's the easiest place to see them through. Picture might not be as very good as what it should be, because I'm looking through the car window, right through the front windscreen. I should have had the car parked sideways, but I didn't want to scare them out of the way now.
Yeah, it's see them. My touch just dives quickly in there and back looping.
Aye. There's another one there.
Was that the net actually?
I'm not sure, was that quick? I was looking on the viewfinder on the camera again.
That's the nut hatch there on it again.
Aye, that's the nut hatch that time.
I think that might be great to that, I'm not sure.
It's got the big bib on it like it could be. Because I think them little coal tits have only got a small bib, haven't they?
It's like, I'm not really close enough to see them.
Aye, it's the same with me.
Kinda. Just to make them out.
Aye, when we walked past earlier, we did see coal tits in the tree and that. We've seen more coal tits than what there was over else.
You think we've been doing these walks, yeah, not one of it runs a pair of binoculars.
We're going to have to invest in some. That's it, what's that? Oh, that's a spotted woodpecker.
All right, aye.
Aye, the great spotted woodpecker there. We were on about it earlier saying we'd seen it.
It is, aye. Can you get a good close on?
I'm getting it.
Just a
There's a magpie coming in. That was scary. There was another magpie up the tree.
I don't like the magpies. A lot of people might like them, but
there's one up there.
It's just kind of.
That's scared of it. Birds
scare everything. They kill everything and all, didn't they? The little birds' eggs and that. Oh, there's that nut hatch on the back of the tree again.
Oh, right, it's coming in. I'll zoom in a little bit.
I'd like to see the woodpecker come back again.
Aye.
There it is on the tree. It's on the branch of the tree. Yeah, this oak tree and there's a little skinny branch. I'm sure that's it just sitting.
Yeah, musk tree. The
see,
one in front of
it looks like it's got a hole. The one at the back, it's got a hole, like kind of a hole.
Oh, aye.
You get up there, then you come to the V and the skinny branch. You can surf up that skinny branch, and it's just sitting there.
Oh, it is. Aye.
Can you see it?
Aye, I'll just see if I can zoom up and then zoom back in. Try and find it on the viewfinder because it's awkward as hell on this. Right, I can see that.
No, it's just sitting.
Right, I can see roughly where it is. Aye. It's not focusing properly, it's focusing on the windscreen of the car there, it's focusing in. I think it's waiting for the magpies to do a shit, I think. I'm at the car window now.
Should be a bit quick, closer to that.
I was trying to find it.
You see it?
It's all blue, do you know when I'm looking at the viewfinder? Right. There it is, I'll put it. I'll get a decent shot of it there.
With a great spot of it. The lesser spot is. That's what areas do you get?
Further down south, aren't they? The lesser spotted.
There's not a great deal of difference in them, is there?
It's I'm sure one's a lot smaller. The lesser spotted one.
I'd say it's not something I've seen.
I reckon it's not much bigger than a. Wait, it's about half the size.
Oh, well, that's smaller.
Aye. Not much bigger than a sparrow.
Oh.
It's just we haven't seen them up yet. There's a wood pigeon coming in there, and the birds start going wild.
But I mean, apart from the size, to look at them, there doesn't look a great deal of difference, does it?
No.
There's a car coming in.
I was going to say it's moved, hasn't it? The woodpecker.
Somebody in a car.
Yeah, they come around towards me. I'll turn the camera off. Yeah, there's other people pulling up beside when the cars and that. There's the wood pigeon and the nuthatch there on the table, and where the little quartets have just flew on that side of it and stuff. But we're gonna finish. Yeah, no way, because there's other people coming in, walking around. Oh, there's a woodpecker back on the table.
Sitting on the pigeon.
Aye.
And start scratching.
Gonna headbutt the pigeon. That would have been a good one, you know, if we'd caught that. That would have been a YouTube hit. Now it is, it's actually quite interesting sitting here, all these different birds coming out of that bird feeder.
That's some sim with our I was saying now we've just come back to sit in the, we're just actually going to leave.
Aye, we're in the car ready to go. We're sat in the car thinking, oh, we'll give it a couple of minutes. And all of a sudden there's just millions in.